That's an original. That's an original World War II uh, propaganda poster. Came out in '45, I think. Um, they make copies of it that you can get, on Amazon or whatever. But had a plan for feeding a colony or a company. 150 people. Okay, you grab something that you know works. Like I know that this zucchini works. I know it'll grow in this environment. So I've got 2 packets right here. One to grow and one for the future of whatever may happen. Now what's growing in here is zucchini. In this garden is zucchini, onions, pinto beans. I think there's some kind of squash. Pumpkin squash, I think. Garlic. But I got this from the land, right? And I got potatoes in here. But once you could take care of yourself, you got to start thinking bigger. You got to think bigger. I got cilantro growing in here too. You got to start thinking of bigger. Once you can take care of yourself. A lot of people are going to have a hard time growing food, so 10 plants can take care of one person. Of course, you're going to need a place where you can have a lot of water. That's the big downfall here. Lack of water. So you got to be by a lake or a underground spring or something. But I'm making all this happen back in here with just 2 500-gallon tanks. And I've got to harvest my potatoes in here. They're ready to harvest. I just want to show this right here, what it looks like, because I only do my videos in one take. But here it is. All the potato leaves are pretty much dried up, so I need to harvest. And just give you a sneak peek. Got a lot of potatoes in here. I don't know how many pounds I'm going to have in here, but I've got to harvest them and just see what happens. I know they're in here somewhere. Let's see. Well, oh yeah, there's some right there too. See? They're pretty big right there. See that? And I've got 26 potato plants in here. And gonna just see what they look like. Thing you have to remember though is this is a boring, growing food is boring, right? There's no action in it. Oh, here's an onion right here. There's no excitement. But it's boring, but it's the most critical part. This is the one where if you don't have any food, you're going to turn in everything you have to go survive in a camp. All right, deer are eating. But yeah, the deer have torn up the watermelon plant. All right, just something to keep in mind. This is zucchini, and got another one growing in here. And what I'm finding out with the zucchini is the more you pick, the more you get. So you just got to keep picking the food. All right. Don't let anything stay on the plant, because if you do that, it's going to stop producing. And this zucchini plant right here is about ready to die off. Look at that root. Man, they're looking rough. See that? All right. See y'all later.